Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Output jumps more than inputs here, and that tiny comparison tells the whole story fast. So watch this question turn into an easy returns to scale win. Increasing returns to scale means when a firm raises all inputs by some percent, output rises by an even larger percent. So we only need to compare those two percentages. Here, the firm increases all inputs by 5%, while output increases by 8%. And that matters because output is growing faster than the resources used. Because 8% is greater than 5%, the firm has increasing returns to scale, which matches the definition exactly. So option B is correct. Well done! Option B. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given facts, then check the steps, and the returns to scale label becomes clear.